Guess what? You built your car in 35 seconds.
Hello friends, welcome to another video by the Traveling Kid. In this video, we will be watching my Ridemakerz experience. I went to Ridemakerz in Myrtle Beach.
Alright, are we gonna do it on the street chassis or on the monster chassis? Street? Alright. Alright, here you go. Hold it from right there. There you go. Alright, now we're gonna come over here. You can hold it down. There, son. Alright, now, since we got the Camaro and we got it on the street chassis, we gotta get a pack of big rims and a pack of small rims, okay? The bottom row down here are stock ones that come with it for free. Any of the others are an upgrade. We just gotta make sure we get a big pack and a small pack, okay? Any of the others are an upgrade. We just gotta make sure we get a big and a small, all right? Okay.
What's your name?
Ashay.
Ashay?
Ashay.
All right, I'm Tori. I'm helping you build your car today.
Okay.
You excited?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right. Now, I'm gonna get everything set up for you. Then after I get it set up, I'm gonna show you how to build it. So I just want you to watch me. Then afterwards, I'm gonna let you do it.
Okay.
Sound good?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right. Is it your first time building one?
Yeah.
Yeah? Well, what made you choose the Camaro? You like it? I see you got a visitor shirt on. Who's your favorite? Iron Man? I like him too. All right. Can you write your name right there for me in that box? Okay, now, first thing we have to do is we have to make sure we're holding this car down so it doesn't move. And then we're going to bring this tool down, make sure we've got it all the way down on the screw. We'll press that button. We're going to go down until you hear this sound. When you hear that, that means you cannot go anymore, okay? Now we have to get all 4 of these down. Once we've done that, we make our way right over here. Just boop, pop the rims in. Get them all popped in. We're gonna feed the 2 little small ones. We're gonna pop those on the front of the car. 2 big ones, we're gonna go on the back of the car, okay? Now, I had you write your name down because we got a thing called a pit challenge. Because I'm gonna time you see how fast you can build your car, all right? You gonna build it fast? I think so. Iron Man's your favorite. You gotta build it fast. All right, let's go ahead and get this down. When I say go, you press that button, okay? But wait till I say go, all right? You ready, set, go. Go to your next one. There we go. Keep on. There we go. All right, one more. Keep on. There we go. Pop your rims in. Hit them in. Hit them in. There we go. Go to the next one. There you go. There we go. Or put it in front of the car. Okay, get on there straight. Now push it. There we go. Right here. Push it on there. Push it hard. There we go. 2 backwards. Come on, come on, come on. One more, one more. Time. Guess what? You built your car in 35 seconds. Good job. Give me a high five. That was fast. Now, this is a sticker. You want to wear it so everybody knows you built your car fast? Yeah? All right, put that on your chest. All right. Now, something really cool about your car. You ready? Press down right there for me. It's going to activate the lights and the sound, okay? All right. Now, your next stop is going to be this wall right over here. Just a customization wall. You guys can't take anything out of the packaging. Try it on, see if you like it. If you don't, we can put it back. The only thing I cannot resell after you open it are stickers. So once you open them, they're yours. Yeah, need any help with some stuff?
I like this board. I already have it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video.